So, what's my final take on this incredible machine? It's not a motorhome, it's a modern masterpiece on wheels. This vehicle is quite insane, the Cadillac Motorhome. Hey everyone, and welcome back. Have you ever looked at the world of RVs and thought, what if a company like Cadillac got their hands on one? Well, hold on to your hats, because what we're about to dive into is something straight out of a sci-fi movie. This is the new, completely mind-blowing, double-story Cadillac luxury motorhome concept. I mean, just look at this thing. It's not a camper, it's a mobile luxury apartment. The design is pure Cadillac. You've got that iconic grille, those vertical LED strip headlights that just scream future, and a body that's either a stunning deep black or this incredible metallic red. It's bold, it's sleek, and it looks like it belongs on a runway, not a highway. And those wheels? Absolutely massive chrome beauties with these intricate spokes. This isn't just about getting from A to B, it's about making a statement the entire way. And it's not just looks. You can see how this is built for the future. The design is so seamless, with the hidden door handles and those huge panoramic windows that just flow with the body. You can see the world from a completely new perspective. Now, let's talk about what might power this beast. I'm thinking something truly next level, a hybrid powertrain that gives you that powerful Cadillac performance, but with incredible efficiency. Imagine the smooth, quiet ride, knowing you've got this incredible torque on demand. And for those who love adventure, the idea is that this would have some serious off-road DNA. We're talking about an advanced suspension system and rugged capability that lets you leave the paved roads behind and find those perfect, secluded spots. This isn't just for the RV park, it's for the destination of your dreams, no matter how remote. Okay, let's get to the part we've all been waiting for, the interior. Now, you've seen the images, but stepping inside this thing is just a different experience. It's a two-story masterpiece. The lower level is this incredible open-plan living space. You've got a lounge area that can extend out with a slide-out to create a massive entertaining space. The furniture is all sleek and modern with the finest materials. The lighting is just perfect. It's this soft, ambient glow that makes you feel instantly at home. This isn't a cramped cabin, it's a wide-open, luxurious loft. And that's just the first floor. Head up that beautiful spiral staircase, and you find the master bedroom, which is a sanctuary. It's got a huge bed, more panoramic windows with incredible views, and all the high-tech features you'd expect from a futuristic Cadillac. It's the perfect place to unwind after a long day of adventuring. Every single detail, from the seamless cabinetry to the integrated tech, feels thoughtful and incredibly premium. So how does this compare to, well, anything? This concept isn't just a new model, it's a new class of vehicle entirely. It's taking the luxury and innovation that Cadillac is known for and applying it to a whole new world. It's for the person who wants to travel without leaving any of their creature comforts behind. It's redefining what home away from home even means. Now, I know what you're all thinking. How much? Well, a vehicle like this, with this level of design, technology, and luxury, is going to be in a league of its own. It's going to be for those who demand the very best, the ones who aren't just buying a motorhome, but investing in an experience unlike any other. It's a statement piece and a mobile fortress of luxury, all in one. And what about the other amenities? This is where the luxury truly shines. We're talking about a bathroom that feels more like a high-end spa, with a beautiful walk-in shower, sleek minimalist fixtures, and smart glass windows that can instantly become opaque for privacy. The kitchen area is a chef's dream, even on the road, with state-of-the-art integrated appliances and elegant countertops that look like a work of art. It's a space designed not just for function, but for a premium experience, whether you're making coffee in the morning or preparing a full meal. Every detail is a testament to the fact that this is a home first and a vehicle second. And the technology here is just next level. From the driver's seat, you're looking at a seamless, full-width digital display that gives you everything you need, from navigation to vehicle diagnostics, all at a glance. It's like being in the cockpit of a private jet. But the real magic happens in the living areas. We're talking about a completely integrated smart home system. You can control the lighting, the temperature, even the tinted windows, all from a tablet or a voice command. It's technology that's so intuitive, it just disappears into the background, leaving you to simply enjoy the ride. This is the future of travel, and Cadillac is leading the way. And that seamless experience extends to every corner of this incredible space. Imagine pulling up to a breathtaking vista, and with a simple voice command, those panoramic windows tint to the perfect shade while the ambient lighting shifts to create a serene mood. Upstairs, where the bedroom is, it's a whole new world. You're not just looking out a window, you're immersed in the landscape. It feels less like an RV and more like a high-end observation deck, offering a perspective on the world that's simply unparalleled. It's this blend of cutting-edge technology and pure, luxurious comfort that makes every journey in this motorhome an unforgettable event. And it's a vehicle that truly encourages you to slow down and savor the moment. This isn't about rushing to the next destination, it's about enjoying the journey. Whether you're entertaining guests in the spacious slide-out lounge, cooking a gourmet meal in the high-tech kitchen, or simply relaxing in the observation deck bedroom, every part of this motorhome is designed for an elevated experience. It's for the adventurer who doesn't want to compromise on luxury, and for the connoisseur who wants to explore the world in style. So, what's the final verdict on this incredible concept? While it might not be rolling off the assembly line tomorrow, it's a powerful statement about the future of luxury travel. It's a glimpse into a world where you don't have to choose between exploration and elegance. This is Cadillac saying, why not both? It's a vision that's exciting, aspirational, and a hint of the bold innovation we can expect to see in the years to come. I'd love to know what you think. Is this the future of RVs? Would you trade your current setup for something like this? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to see more content like this, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. We'll keep you updated on all the latest and greatest in the world of automotive design. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.